National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 560, effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Anderson, Cherokee, Gregg, Henderson, Smith, Upshur, Van Zandt, and Wood. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 560 has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Anderson, Cherokee, Gregg, Henderson, Smith, Upshur, Van Zandt, and Wood. The National